Hi everybody, look at this cute hat I got. Welcome back to our channel, Hume's Little Homestead. Look at this hat I got. It's so cute. My friend Cheyenne Smith is selling them. So if you're local, go ahead. I will leave a link in the description box if you want to get one of these hats. I'm not sure if they ship. So if you're local, definitely get one of these cool hats. I love them. Okay, today I want to go over how to separate seedlings. So in my last video, I showed you how you can save time and soil. Well, I said save time, but I don't know if it's really a time saver. It's a saving soil method in case some of your seeds don't germinate. Well, I had a lot of seeds germinate, so now it's time to separate them. So what you're going to do is grab the seedlings that you started in your single cup. So if you want to see how I did this, I will post a link to the video. But grab the seedlings that you're getting and count them. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 mini bell. Yeah, mini bell mix. These are from Baker Creek. I'm really excited to try these this year. Anyway, these are mini bell peppers. And so get your seedlings, count them, and make as many seed labels that you need. That's step number 1. Next, you're going to prepare your pots. So just set these aside. And we need 9 pots. 1, 2. All you're going to do is fill these pots up with soil. Whatever potting mix you choose. I'm going to fill it up to that inside line there. Once you have your soil in your pot, now it's time for the fun part. Now we're going to separate these seedlings. I'm actually going to use a kitchen fork. All right, so what you're gonna do is carefully dig down. The roots haven't gotten that long yet. Oh, just kidding, that one has a really long root. Look at that. So I've got my first one here, and I'm just going to make a hole and plop it down in. And I'm going to bury it up to where the 2 seedlings come out. 2 seedling leaves. I'm going to bury it all the way up to that. I'm going to grab a little more dirt and put it around. Because peppers and tomatoes will grow roots as deep as they are buried. I think eggplants do that too. And also I believe okra does it. All right, so that's what you do. Let's do another one together. Let's get these 2 out at the same time. So see, I just separate them, and you can lay it on the pot until you're ready to plant, like that. In fact, I'll do that with the rest of these. don't forget to add your plant labels as soon as you have them planted. Now, I used to just say, oh, I'll remember what's planted, and I would always mix up my plants. So now I say, make sure and put a plant label on every single one. Now this little guy here, there is one in there, but it wasn't quite out of its seed yet, so I put it down farther in. But it had germinated and it did have a root, so I went ahead and planted it a little deeper. All right, that's what you do. I have 2 trays to do this with today. And see, it's nice because you know there's a seed in every single one. A seed that germinated in every single one. So it's nice to start your seeds all together and then just separate them out once they've sprouted. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Please like and subscribe. Bye.